Hi, I'm Sriharsha, your management consultant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll uncover how Swiggy's journey from a failed startup led to a remarkable success of its Rs 11,300 crore IPO. When Sriharsha Majety, Nandan Reddy, and Rahul Jaimini launched Swiggy on August 6, 2014, they began with just 15 to 20 restaurants, 6 delivery partners, and a vision to transform the way people order food. 10 years and 3 billion orders later, the figures have turned big. Over 3 lakh restaurant tie-ups and 5 lakh 20,000 delivery agents. With the vision has turned Swiggy into a super app with a pan-India presence. Swiggy is one of the leaders in India's duopolistic food tech industry with a market share of 45% in the food delivery space. Its operating revenue has also been on a steep rise over the last few years, showing a near twofold growth to Rs 5,705 crores in FY22 to 11,247 crores in FY24. Now, with a massive 11,300 crore IPO done and dusted, Swiggy is also a listed company in the Indian market. From delivering meals to launching one of India's largest tech IPOs, Swiggy has come a long way. Let's find out how. The death of a startup and the birth of Swiggy. While Swiggy was officially born in August 2014, its story had started a year earlier, when Majety and Reddy, who had been friends in college, launched their first startup. It was a B2B courier aggregator service called Bundl that helped small and medium e-commerce sellers with logistics. However, just 10 to 11 months in, they realized they could do something bigger in this space and decided to shut down Bundl. Swiggy continued to run with a 3-member team for much of its initial months. While the company didn't get much traction till early 2015, things slowly started picking up pace, and the startup secured its first funding of $2 million that year. By the end of 2015, Swiggy had developed a mobile app and expanded its operations beyond Bangalore to 8 Tier 1 cities. Over the years, it expanded to more and more cities as funds kept flowing in. Eventually, in the year 2018, the company reached unicorn status, becoming the fastest Indian startup to do so at the time. Well, that was just the beginning of its progress. Today, Swiggy stands at a valuation of around 1 trillion rupees with a presence in over 680 Indian cities. Despite being the arch rival of Zomato in the food delivery space, Swiggy's business model has been noticeably different from that of its main competitor from the beginning. The platform has maintained a unique outlook on the way it serves its customers and offers its services, and that reflects its business strategies and its decisions. When Swiggy was launched in the year 2014, its founders were clear on their purpose: to build a robust logistics infrastructure for intra-city food deliveries. So while its competitors relied on third-party logistics providers to facilitate deliveries, Swiggy focused on building its own delivery fleet, which gave the company an early edge over its competitors, diversifying revenue streams beyond food delivery. Over the last 5 years, Swiggy has expanded its business beyond food delivery. It entered the grocery delivery space in the year 2020 with the launch of Instamart, which is currently one of the leading quick commerce platforms within India, acquiring a market share of 25% and contributing a fourth to Swiggy's consolidated revenue. Swiggy has also launched Swiggy Genie, a pick-up and drop service provider that is currently operational in over 65 cities across India. In the year 2022, Swiggy acquired Dineout, a restaurant table booking platform, for about $120 million in an all-stock deal, voyaging into the dining out segment to enable customers to book restaurant tables online. With the launch of Swiggy Minis in the year 2022, Swiggy began allowing all small businesses beyond food and groceries to create online storefronts and manage orders and deliveries. Swiggy's diversified revenue streams are similar to those of Zomato, but the way Swiggy handles these diverse segments is starkly different. Unlike Zomato, which offers separate apps for food delivery Zomato, quick commerce Blinkit, and going out services District, Swiggy acts as a super platform, offering all its main services within a single app, be it food delivery services, Instamart, Genie, or Dineout. Everything is there in one app, making it extremely convenient for users to do whatever they want. Moreover, having a single infrastructure contributes towards lowering customer acquisition costs. The Swiggy IPO, what's next? Swiggy has just been listed on the Indian Stock Exchange, NSE and BSE. With its IPO, the company raised over 11,327 crores from retail and from institutional investors. While the IPO was oversubscribed by just 3.59 times, the company plans to strengthen its operations with the investors' money. It plans to expand its technology and cloud infrastructure and improve its marketing efforts, along with investing in its logistics subsidiary, Scootzy, and expanding its network of QC dark stores. The company remains one of the 2 key players in the Indian food tech market, with future prospects seeming bright. Swiggy's persistent growth endurance, and scalability have many lessons for new age tech startups. Focus on brand vision. As a startup expands amid rising competition, it becomes increasingly important for the founders to not lose the core vision, because that's what distinguishes a brand from its competitors. Innovate. Breaking free from the existing norms is one of the best ways to innovate. Swiggy's courageous foray into the otherwise daunting looking food delivery space is a testament to this fact. Be adaptable. For an industry as dynamic as food delivery and even e-commerce, being ready to change and adapt is the only sure-shot way to survive. So be ready to adapt and to diversify. From a small neighborhood in Bangalore to a pan-India company, Swiggy's journey so far has been a prime example of the new age startup success, carrying invaluable lessons for growth and scalability in the crowded Indian market. If you discovered something new about Swiggy, share this video with your friends and family who enjoy learning about inspiring business journeys. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly case studies. Let me know which company you'd like me to cover next.